All of it's hers, or excuse me, all of it's yours. None of this.
She paid for it. Right?
She paid for this.
Things, yeah.
Right.
There's a Red Bull.
It's just her. Being reported on Bodycam, okay?
This is your stuff.
I'm sorry, just give me 1 second.
Okay.
I'm gonna put everything over.
We could just like look into the lens. Not in the picture.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what's going on.
So I didn't obviously purchase these, and I didn't leave the store, but I'm willing to buy it.
Okay, but you were trying to leave the store?
Well, no, I was actually going to go to the bathroom because I'm... And I, turned back around, there was a screaming baby in there, and I didn't know. And they just kind of stopped me right away.
Alright.
But I don't know if it's, you're gonna let me get this stuff or not. I'm just sorry. If you don't mind, can you just...
I am.
Yeah, I didn't even recognize you.
I know, I didn't recognize you until like 30 seconds ago.
Is there any way we can watch him out, Sheriff, with this waiting for his dad?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
you
can
mind?
Yeah, if you don't mind, please.
Sure.
Just
What's your name, bud? Can you give me some knuckles? I'm Sal.
Oh, it's okay. You don't have to call me.
It's alright.
It's okay. You can see with me.
It would probably be better.
Okay.
I gotta talk to you about some stuff, so
Okay.
it'll be better if he waited outside.
Or can I... Yeah. It's okay. Here, Daddy's coming, okay?
How far out is that?
He's coming from Long Beach.
Okay. You want to chat in here?
Yeah.
Or do you want him to go outside? It's completely up to you.
I feel like he's nervous.
Okay, yeah, I understand. How far is Dad?
He is in Monmouth Beach coming.
He's in Monmouth Beach coming? Okay.
Do we...
Okay, alright.
Can you just tell me what is happening, please?
I'm going to. I don't want to do it in front of your kid, though. That's my thing. Okay, so can we have him go out in the hallway with Sal? Are you comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Hi.
Or the other officer, whichever you're more comfortable with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Playing sports?
I'm gonna get it going. Yeah. You got everything? Okay. Can I talk to you in the hallway real quick?
Sure. Mom's right there. Hang on, bud. Do you have any tissues or paper towel or something?
You want, Dad's on his way from Monmouth Beach, she said?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get her going. $200 and they want to sign complaints. So I'll just do it in the hallway so the kid doesn't have to see it.
Take her along.
Yeah. I'll handcuff her in the hallway.
Yeah.
And stuff so the kid doesn't have to fucking. Where did her? Okay.
Thank you.
Where's the...
Do we have anyone?
I'll talk to you in the hallway.
Dad's on.
Carlos. 134 and I didn't pay for some of this merchandise, so now they're here and I ordered the shit.
What's this?
Me.
Here, man. I gotta talk to you in the hallway, okay?
Hang out here with me, alright?
You're staying here, buddy, okay?
You're okay.
Who's that, your husband?
134.
Yeah. I don't know. It was stupid, to be honest. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I
Is that your
didn't leave
husband's?
the store. Is there any way I can buy this stuff? I literally didn't even go anywhere.
There's no way. So right now you're being placed under arrest for shoplifting. They make that determination, not me.
Okay.
You're doing this out here, so we don't have to do it in front of your kid.
3131, case number for target.
You're obviously already upset.
24,
Don't go reaching around your purse, okay? I'll take the purse from you.
3743.
Can you just... Carlos, they're going to arrest me, okay? I don't know.
I'll explain everything to Carlos at our police department, okay?
What police department? Middletown?
Middletown.
What about him?
He's going to stay here with the officers.
His dad is going to come. Can I call?
Wait.
Can you call Patrick Carlos for me and tell him that they're leaving at Target just to come get him here?
We'll be able to make...
I told him that I just, I don't know. It was the stupidest thing ever. Yeah, but they're not letting... They won't let me. They won't.
We gotta get this going.
I know, but they won't.
County 384, I'm clear.
Okay, so do me a favor, turn around. Yeah, you put your phone
134, you're clear, sir.
Turn around for me.
Oh my god.
I know.
sorry. Can we do it?
I can't do it in the front. It's nothing against you. It's just our policy. You mind just rolling these up for me so I don't hurt you?
Is there any way that I can call my husband again so he knows to get my daughter from school, or do I are you guys gonna keep me?
Yeah.
Tell me to get you.
Are you guys gonna take me and keep me there?
What time does your daughter get out of school?
I'm so embarrassed. This is so scary. Am I
Listen.
going to prison?
You're not going to prison.
What the fuck? So stupid.
What time does your daughter get out of school?
I'm sorry, can you just raise your hands? I'm just going to double lock them so they don't tighten on you, okay?
I'll tell your husband when he gets here. He's got to get your daughter. Do you have any toys or anything for him in the car or however you got her?
I'm going to check to see if I have... We had those teddy bears for a
Oh my
while.
gosh, can we please just... I don't want to see me like that, please.
No, he's not.
Please.
I'll put this behind you so you don't have to,
my
we don't
God,
have to
I can
parade you, okay?
Oh my gosh. This is so fucking stupid.
Go over here.
You guys gonna take me to prison?
Ma'am, we're not taking you to
I
prison.
don't know why. I've never
I know. I'm not yelling at you. I'm telling you.
I don't know.
I'm going to explain everything to you once we get to the police department, okay?
Legal accident here, Nuts Swamp
Am I staying there
Road and
overnight?
Middletown Road.
I'm going to explain all of it. I understand you're nervous. Just stay and face this 4-0 right here, okay?
Pathfinder.
So crazy.
Nothing illegal in this bag?
No.
You don't have any pockets on you?
No, I don't.
I see these ones. I'm just going to pat them with the outside of my hand just to make sure. Okay.
Having a dispute over when it actually occurred.
I'm sorry, you mean that? Thank you. Where are you from?
West Long Branch.
West Long Branch?
I can hear that one, Red Bank.
All right, just hang.
I'll call here if not.
Okay.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Don't worry about it. Yeah, you're going now. You're completely
So many
understand.
open spots there.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Be
It's
the
fine.
worst thing. Thank you.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
let me just pop him in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you in the front. Watch Bodie into the cage. and back.
Hey, Bodie's here.
Yeah. I'll be right there.
So I guess, I don't know all the details, but
Yeah.
I guess his mom was trying to shoplift over $200.
It's our nanny.
Your nanny.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I guess she was trying to shoplift $200 or more, which is a crime.
Lee.
And she's got him with it. So she's probably going to catch some charges.
Yeah.
I don't
Jesus.
know that he was utilized for it. If he is, that's a big charge.
Yeah.
But she, tried to steal some stuff. We got caught.
It's insane.
So,
Insane.
Yeah.
And we pay her well. I mean, she's got money.
listen, some people
We helped her
can't
buy
get over
a nice
doing it.
Range Rover and
Wow.
Golly, man.
It's a shame.
And I can't, she's got a daughter. She's got a 5-year-old daughter in school with my other son. And we've got my older daughter. She takes care of her little kids.
Wow.
So, wow.
Yeah.
And my wife works up in Manhattan.
I didn't even put the two together. I'm the third guy here, so I just
Yeah.
came and I
Right.
tried to calm him down and keep him cool.
And
until
that
he
was
got
what
here.
freaked me out. You know, I'm out in the field. I'm
Yeah,
not in
I
the
got
paint
you.
room anymore, but I'm running everywhere. I was on the beach, and she sent me a text. I got in trouble. I'm in Target. And I said,
She didn't even call you?
she called, yeah,
Oh,
but she didn't really explain it. I don't know if she didn't want to talk or something.
That's what it was, yeah.
Sure.
We did our best to keep that separate.
Yeah.
He didn't see her get arrested
That's great.
or anything.
That's great. Good.
Yeah, it was upset, obviously, when she first left, but we were able to calm him down. Obviously, Target gave him like a squish ball and a green
Yeah,
thing, and I
that's
had a
cool.
glow stick for him, so he chilled out. But
He's a good boy, and I'm so freaked out over this whole thing. God.
Yeah.
And I knew it was something weird, like something, wrong.
yeah,
Just away from her texting, the way she was talking. She said, you got to come here. I misscanned something. And I thought that's what she was saying. And I said, well, just tell him that you misscanned it. And you didn't. But it's
I think it's bigger than that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's bigger than that.
yeah.
It sounds it. And I'm trying to. You want my license?
If you have it,
Have it.
yeah.
So you can finish working today.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, of course. Wow. Well, and I did let Mom know.
Patrick, what's a good phone number for you?
She's kind of had them during the days, and I take
I get it.
to work.
Yeah, I just went through the same thing. I get it.
Please.
So I don't need to fill out, usually when kids are involved in something with the police,
Yeah.
like this,
Yeah.
we have to fill out what's called a handle with care form.
Sure.
And all that does is notify their school.
Yeah.
In case their behavior is a little different, they know why.
Right.
But we don't need to do that in his case because he's not in school.
Not in school. Right. Well, maybe they'll just say a little accusation on the
Does she drive?
other. She does, yeah. Her
Okay.
car's here. It's right down there on the right-hand
The
side.
Land Rover you're talking about?
Yeah, Range Rover, the black one.
Range Rover.
I think that's it. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Probably.
Okay.
Yeah, and what's the procedure now? Like
She's got to get processed.
and then they'll
So as long as she doesn't have a crazy criminal history,
Yeah.
which doesn't seem like she does, she'll get released as soon as she's done processing it.
She's
I hope
been
so.
with us for a couple of years. I mean, she's great. I just don't get it.
Some people have the bug, man. They
Yeah.
just got to do it.
Yeah, well, trust me. when
They
I was
think,
a
oh,
kid,
I can get away with it.
I stole a lighter and got busted in 7-Eleven for it.
Right.
That's when I was a little different lifestyle in my 20s.
Yeah, this
Almost
place-
60. Yeah.
This plays on top of it.
Yeah, well, that's good. I mean, that's good. But I just hate to think that this is who we have. You know?
Yeah, tough decisions moving forward, but that's for you and the wife.
Yeah. Thank you.
Of course. Good luck.
Appreciate it. How will we know? She'll call. I guess she'll call when she.
Yeah, as soon as she's released, she'll get her cell phone. We might even give her a ride back to her car. I don't know
Yeah,
yet.
I would hope so. I just don't know. I'm going to take him with me, go back to work.
Yeah,
myself.
absolutely.
So that's okay. I'm going to.
You're good to go.
If she calls or whatever, she needs anything else, I'll come back.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Thank you, Patrick. Take.
Yeah.
Ooh, what up, man? The chick I locked up earlier from here is Chris here. I just need to grab her property.
I'm not sure if Chris is here, but I can let you in.
I guess she did buy some stuff, but
I wasn't
nobody.
here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you know.
I got here as soon as it was like finished. And nobody's here.
Oh, here's-
So
This
that's
is her
it?
stuff. Yeah,
Okay.
this is exactly it. Perfect. Yeah, the bag and then this.
That's mine. Yeah.
That's yours? Okay.
Yeah.
That's fucking, I'm a shoplifter. Alright, perfect. Sweet. Yeah, and then that's the shit you stole.
I guess so. Like I said, I was.
No, yeah. Guess as good as
Tell them that you
mine.
came by, right?
Yeah, yeah. Just this, right?
Maybe they put it in.
I was gonna say this is heavy, so I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure. Can I open it?
Yeah, you
Yeah, spray, and then this,
take it. Yeah.
and a Red Bull. Yeah, gotcha. All right, man. Best of luck with everything. Okay, have a good one.